मैं समय हूँ।
Welcome, students. Today, in this class, we are going to study about time. Students, to define time in words is a rigorous work. It is difficult because time is infinite, it is indefinite, it is invisible. So, to define time is not so easy, but try to listen and try to understand what is time, the indefinite continued progress of events and existence that occur in an irreversible succession from the past through the present into the future is called time. Students, as I have said, time is indefinite, infinite, and it goes on in continuity, in progress, and with time, events or existence occur. They appear as well as disappear, and also the time is irreversible till now because in the absence of time machine, as it is imaginary, just an imagination, time machine is just an imagination. So in the absence of time machine, time is considered irreversible, and time comes from past, continues in present, and will go in future. In simple language, time can be defined as duration or moment in which events occur. What are events? Anything which occurs around you, around us, called events. Events may be very small. Small means on which you or your sense doesn't take any consideration, or it may be important, very important, but events occurs regularly around you, around us. The knowledge of time is very important in our daily life, especially in modern life. Students, during ancient time, when
People had to do
do, I think, comparatively less work, their duties
were
are
limited.
for only to complete their survival. But in today's time, we have to do a lot of work, and we have to do them on time, in duration, in required or in appropriate time duration. We have to do our work. For example, you students have to study, you have to go to school, and before going to school, you come out from your bed, do your daily work, daily preparations for your school, and then at a particular time, you start for school. For your study, for your homework, and for your entertainment, for your games, you are bonded with time durations. Students, time is also important because nothing is on the earth for every time. Anything which is new today will be old. Anything which takes birth will die. So students, we are bonded with time. We can't feel, we can't see the time, but events are ordered, events are bonded with an unseen flow of time. Today we measure time with the help of clocks and watches. We take different instruments, help of different instruments to measure time. But during ancient times, during olden days,
when there were no watches, no clock,
people used some natural phenomena, natural events which repeats themselves at a regular interval after a fixed time, and these events are used today also, and were used in past days, in olden days, to measure time. If you observe carefully, you will see that today also the measurement of time is based on regular events, whether it is mechanical, natural, artificial, but measurement of time is based on regular events. That is, the events which repeats themselves after a certain interval of time. So students, this was the introduction of time for today's class. In next class we will study about how we measure time during ancient time, how people measured time during ancient times, and later on we will discuss about modern time measuring instrument. So students, this was all about today's class. In next class we will learn about measurement of time in detail. Till then, goodbye.